Okay guys, we got this '09 Honda Accord right here, and you can see all the lights are on the dash. I'm trying to see if I can make the screen less blurry. Let's see. It's about as less blurry as I can get it. I have to turn lights on in here. Does that help? Nope. What is going on? I don't know why it looks so blurry. But yeah, we got this ABS light on right here. There's a gas light, but we got VSA, all that stuff. Scanned it for codes. These are the codes we got. U0122. Now they said this does talk to the computer, but it doesn't look like I can talk to it. I don't see ABS in here. Let's try going into anti-lock brakes. Nope, doesn't look like it's talking. So I'm going to go look at a wiring diagram real quick, and we're going to look up this thing. See what's going on here. Let me get my computer out. Okay guys, so here's the wiring diagram. Here's our VSA modulator. And you can see this gets spliced into the PCM. And, well, it splices in right here. It's the PCM, but then we got this F can high and low, so... Oh, and there's an... Okay, so one's called a VSA, the other one's ABS unit. So... we'll have to check our module. Make sure we have powers and grounds, because we can talk to everything. We can talk to the SRS, we can talk to... but we had the security module, gauges, power windows, lighting, keyless transmission, door lock, airbag, tire, trans. So the fact that we can talk to everything else makes me think that our issue is just going to be with the module. They said they put a new one in. Let's go to wiring diagram, system. Let's go to anti-lock brakes. And we'll have to check our fuses. Check our fuses. There's a 30 and a 40, a 15 and a 20. Well, 20's for the horn. So we got 40, 30, 15. Oh, this is a 2.4. So I guess this wouldn't have VSA then. It's just an ABS module. So we have 15. Fuse 15. 6 and 5. 15, 6, and 5. Doesn't look like there's a lot going on with this module. Okay guys, so I noticed something. Depending on which type of module this takes, the power and ground is different. So if we look right here, we got 40 and 30, follow them down. They come over, look at that, 12 and 13. So if we go down to just ABS, we have 30, 30 right there. Follow these down. They go to 8 and 9. Fuse 15 goes to our gauges over here on the right. Same with this one. Our brown goes to our gauges. Our green comes down. Let's see, where's our green? Okay, green goes to white. That comes over and goes to 30 for our ignition 1. Let's see where this one goes. Green comes down. That comes over to 16. So we'll be able to tell which one we have by this. So I'm going to go get that plug apart and we'll check our pins. Okay guys, so we're connected up the battery negative right there. I got a wiring diagram right here for our connector. So we have, let's see. So we have power there. That should be terminal 9 because I think it's backwards. So if we go to 8, we have no power. So if we switch this over to power, now we can test our grounds. We'll load testing them at 5 amps. So if we come over here, that lights and that lights. So that tells me that this diagram is drawn backwards, because that would be our 2 grounds would be right here. So let's check our other power. We should have one other power, right? 12. Oh no, wait, no, what was our other power? I forget what our other 12. Probably that red, MR red. Oh wait, no. MR red is that one, 9. I think it was 12 was our other battery positive. Let's go back to our diagram. So this is the one with VSA. Let's see, so we're missing... color was our other one? Oh, right there. There's that gray, ignition 1. So check gray. Let's see. Component connector. Remember, it's backwards. Wait, what number was that? That was 16, right? 16, yeah. So 16. Oh, right there, ignition 1. So 16 would be in the middle at the top, so we can't mix that up. So that would be this one. Right? That should be power. Check it. See if we can check it. All this rain. I don't even see a terminal in there. Does it like skip every other one? Let's see if it's this one. No, it would have to be this one. There's nothing in there. Okay, so that's weird. Is there nothing in there? That is weird. Let me go check this fuse. We'll check this fuse. What color was that? Which one were we missing? So we're on ground. Let's see. Check this one. And then this one has nothing. So that is... what color is that? That is 8, which would be white. So we need to check the white one. Let's see, can we get to the connector down? Try to see if we can get to that. Oh, is this it? Oh, is that pulled out? That looks like it's pulled. That's pulled out. The terminal. Look at that. Let me push that back in. Yeah, look at that. That's pushed out of the terminal. Let's see if we can get that back in. Guys, as soon as I push that back in, we got power. There we go, so that's connected back up. Let's turn our key on. Our key is on. Oh, and looks like our lights went out. Look at that. Let's see if we can talk to it. Let's go back. Let's go to ABS. Look at that, we can talk to it. Let's go back, let's go to clear all codes. Let me go clean up my stuff now that we can talk to it while this is clearing codes. Okay guys, so no lights like I said. We're scanning the car right now. Let me take the brake light off, or take that off. There we go, headlights come on. Oh, I guess they probably have a ground issue because look at the headlight. See the headlight light there? It's not full brightness, but it's like dimly lit. Let's see, do we still have these codes? I don't know if it cleared them. Guess I'll have to wait for it to finish scanning. Then we can try to clear them. Anti-lock brakes. It may have not cleared because I had the engine running. Wish we could pause this from scanning. So I'll let this finish scanning and then I'll clear codes and we'll see if they come back. Okay guys, finally, the car finished. It took like 10 minutes to clear all the codes. Probably would have been quicker just to do it all manually. Okay, no codes, right? Let's go back, check our trans. Okay, let's start this up. There we go. Let's go codes. None. Let's go in our engine computer. Okay, I think the whole reason why it didn't clear before was because I had the car. I had the car turned on. Let's see, let's get a picture of the dash. No lights. Yeah, we'll let this scan real quick. Take forever again. Look at that. Engine, trans, no codes. There we go, so we'll let this continue to scan and then we should be good to go. Okay guys, just finished scanning. At least I think I finished scanning. Look at this. No more codes. Hope you guys like this one. See you later.